Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Salem Rain, and today I'm just a little bit hungover, but that's okay, because I'm making macaroni salad. A perfect salad for that backyard barbecue, potluck, or picnic. It all starts with the macaroni noodles. What I did was I took 3 cups of dry macaroni noodles and I boiled it as per the directions on the package. I boiled them for about 9 minutes, which brought them to an al dente state, because that's what I prefer. Follow the directions of your bag of pasta and you'll be fine. Look at all these pretty colors. Here I have 1 red bell pepper that I chopped. It's about 1 cup. A half of a red onion that I chopped up, about half of a cup. Here I have 2 carrots that I grated up. It's about 1 cup. 2 celery stalks that I chopped up. Again, about 1 cup. Chop and grate your veggies to the size of your liking. Just try to make it consistent. Give it a little mix. This already looks fantastic. Grab a medium-sized bowl. We're going to mix up our super creamy dressing. Right here, I have 1 cup of mayonnaise. I use full-fat mayonnaise. Use the type of mayonnaise that you prefer. In here, I have a half of a cup of sour cream. In this little glass dish, I have chopped up a half of a cup of sweet pickles. You can also use green relish if you don't want to chop up the sweet pickles. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. In this little shot glass, I have 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. In this shot glass, I have 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle juice. If you didn't use the sweet pickles, you can also use plain white vinegar. Here I have 2 tablespoons of honey. Dump that in. Whisk it all up. Add the beautiful dressing to the bowl of macaroni noodles and vegetables. Mix it all up. And that's it. Super simple, so bright, so colorful, so fresh and flavorful. Refrigerate this for a minimum of 2 hours and try not to leave it outside for longer than 20 minutes or so. I hope you enjoyed this super simple recipe. See you again next time.